What's good, my people? It's your boy Rich, and I'm back at it with another video. This will be a unboxing video, and got me some new toys for the Camaro. I went to Extreme's online store and ordered some front splitter, front lip or splitter, however you see it. It is what it is. And some side skirts. And I got the SSZL1 front splitter and side skirts. Well, let's get to it. Let's get to the main event. This is the front lip, front splitter. So I went with the prime black because I am going to get the Camaro wrapped. So I went with the prime black. Looks good, man. Alright, I got some instructions and some self-tappers. So, they did a good job packaging, so I am pleased with that. One. Good. Yeah. Like the right side. Left side. Looks good. Instructions, tape, the side of tape. See, I didn't get any for the front splitter, unless I ain't look in the box good, but that's it for right now, guys. I will show you guys a little bit more in depth what they look like. I'll take them outside and get ready to prep.